Hello and welcome to this Item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to set a printer. This video is going to show you how to install the printer. First thing you have to do is go to Module, Admin. On the left-hand side, click on Printer. On the app, we support a 2x1 and a 4x6 label printer. To download the hub, just click Download. Once you have finished downloading, just double-click on the file and it will show you the install page. After you finish installing the printer hub, it will look like this. On the left-hand side, you can see there are PDF printers and ZPL printers. The PDF printer is the one used to print the bill of lading. The ZPL printer is for the label printers. For those you want to print from the app, you just add it as a favorite and set it as a default. As you can see, there's a QR code right here and an IP address. If your computer has more than one IP address, you have to select the correct one. To install the printer on the app, just go to the bottom right-hand corner, click on More, then Setting, Printer, and scan the IP on your computer. The first one is a 2x1 printer, the second one is a 4x6 printer, and the last one is the one for printing the bill of lading. Once you select all of them, you can start printing from the app. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.